Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the series of Linux for DevOps. So in today's tutorial we are going to see how to install CentOS 8 on Oracle VirtualBox. So let's go ahead and install the VirtualBox. I will just type Oracle VirtualBox. Click on this, download. So you can select from the operating system that you have. Based on that you can download the file. I am having the Windows host, so I will just click on Windows host. So as you can see, the file is downloaded. So I will just click on it. So I will just go next, browse, just copy this and change my path. I have to put that in software folder, VirtualBox. Okay, let's go next. Let's go next. Yes, install. It will start the installation. So the installation is completed. I will click on finish and it will open. So guys, this is the VirtualBox that we have created. Now as the VirtualBox is created, after creating the VirtualBox, just go to Google again, and now we will download the CentOS 8 CentOS 8 ISO file. So if we click on this downloads, it will directly take us to CentOS 8 download. Over here you can select the architecture based on your operating system. So my architecture is 64-bit. I will click on this. So it will give me all the mirror images that I can use to download the ISO file. So suppose if I click on this mirror image, over here I will have to download the DVD ISO file, which is of 10 GB. So you can click on this and the download will start. So if I click on this, it will start the download here. So as it's a big file, I have already kept it downloaded. So for now I will cancel this. So this is the file that I have already downloaded, that is CentOS 8.1 version. So let's go ahead and install the same. So moving on, I will just minimize this, and I will go to VirtualBox. Now let's create a new virtual machine. So this virtual machine, let's give the name as CentOS 8. So over here I will change the path. I will change the path to other. mm, Software. Over here I am going to save my VirtualBox. So we have to select over here type as Linux and version as Red Hat 64-bit. Okay. Now just click on next. So over here you have to define the RAM based on your configuration. I am having 16 GB of RAM in my machine, so I will keep it as 4096. That is 4 GB of RAM. So this is the 4 GB of RAM. Now I will just go and click next. So over here you are going to use create a virtual hard disk. Now we are not going to make any changes. We are just going to click on create. Then after clicking on create, we are again not going to make any change. Keep it as VDI VirtualBox disk image. Then click on next. again dynamically allocated. Click on next, and over here we will define the size of your VirtualBox image. So over here I will keep it as 20 GB. Okay, and I will click on create. So as you can see guys, this is created successfully. Now once it is created, just click on this, click on settings, or just right click on it and click on settings. So both will open the same tab. So once this tab is open, just go to storage. In storage, just click on empty. Once you click on empty, it will show the button over here. Just click on this button and create, choose a disk file. So in choose a disk file, I will go to the place where I have downloaded my ISO file. So this is my ISO DVD file. I will open this, open. Okay. So once I have opened it, I will click on OK. And now I am going to click on start. So when you click on start, it is going to boot up in this manner. So if you will see the boot that you are able to see over there, the same boot you will be able to see in the VirtualBox also on the right hand side. It is showing the same boot, which is so over here. Now it will, we have, just click on CentOS Linux 8. Enter. I just clicked on test this media and install CentOS Linux 8. So now it will show you the option that uh, once it will proceed ahead, it is going to capture your mouse. So if your mouse is captured, how you can release it? Just read this message. Over here it is saying that this will cause the virtual automatically capture the keyboard every time the VM is active and make it unable to another applications. So to release that, we have to use Alt tab. Okay. Okay. I'll just close this. Close this. Okay. Now we will select the language. So I will continue with the language as English. So see, now it is going to capture my mouse. So if I have to release my mouse, I will just have to select the right control. So the control which is on the right hand side of the keyboard, and click on capture. Now it has captured. Now you can see I cannot go outside this frame. So my mouse is captured. Now I click on control, right hand side of the control, and you will see my mouse is released. Okay, this is how you can do it. Now I will again click on this. It will capture my mouse. Now I will go ahead. So over here we are selecting language as English. Continue. Now once we come to this page, we will have to select on installation destination. Just click on this because right now it is showing automatically partitioning select, but we will click on this and click on this. Once this becomes blue, okay, then go and select done. Okay, it is showing, still showing no disk selected. Let's go ahead. Okay, so just double click on it till the time you get this tick sign. If you're getting the tick sign, that is the meaning it is selected. So now it is showing the tick sign. I will click on done again. So now you can see that red message has been removed. Now it is showing automatic partitioning. Now once that is done, we will be going ahead with the next step. In the next step, we are just going to click on begin installation. So again I will capture my mouse, begin installation. So now while beginning the installation it will ask you for to set the root password and create one administrator user for you to log in. So I will click on root. I'll keep the password simple. The password will be root itself, root root. So once it is done I will click on done. Okay, so the root password is set. Now I will click on user creation. So in user creation, I will keep the full name as admin, username as admin, make this user as administrator, and I will keep the password also as admin. So as you can see the message below, make sure you use a strong password for your user that you're creating. So right now for demo purpose, I am keeping it simple. So it would be easy for you to understand. So see the password is the same, admin, same. Now I will click on done. So see this step is completed. Now this will take some time to install the libraries that it is installing and showing over there in the message section. Now we have to wait till it gives us the message complete. I will pause the video till the time it is downloading the packages because the total number of packages is 1331. So I will just pause the video till that time. Okay guys, welcome back. So as you can see the process is completed. So it took around 10 minutes to complete the entire package installations. So now before we click on reboot, what we have to do is go back to your VirtualBox. Over here, go to settings. In settings, go to storage, click on this button and do remove disk from virtual drive. Done. Okay, that's it. Now go back to the installation. So over here, now we are going to click on reboot. Okay, again it is capturing my mouse. I will click on the reboot. So guys, as you can see, when I'm trying to reboot, it is not getting rebooted. So in this case, what we can do, we can release our mouse, click on this. So over here, there is a shutdown power off the machine. So we don't have to use this option. We'll go to the VirtualBox. In VirtualBox, click on right click, and in right click, just click on reset. Okay, no, not reset. So what we can do is power off. Okay. So let's stop and start from here. Okay, so for now let's power up the machine because I guess that that is stuck. So just no need to worry if it is stuck. Just go on this, right click and just click on power off, power off. So the machine is now powered off. Now just go and click on start again. That's it. So see, the machine is now starting. Just keep it as it is. No need to do anything. Yes. So now we first have to go and click on license. I have to accept the license. After accepting the license, I will just click on done. Done. Okay. After clicking on done, we are going to click on finish configuration. It will move ahead. Okay. Now it is asking us to log in with our admin user that we created. So the password for admin is admin. Click on sign in. Okay, as you can see, the machine is booted. Okay, we will select the language as English. Next, English US. Next. Okay, so for privacy, we will just go ahead and keep our privacy as off for now. Next, skip, start using CentOS Linux. So this will give the screen to show you. Just close this. After closing this, you can see your machine is ready. This is your terminal. You can type pwd home admin who am if config. Just give me a minute. Let me expand this. If config. Oh, sorry. See, it has your network also created. So everything is there in place, and your machine is ready to be used. So guys, this is how you can go ahead and install CentOS 8 on Oracle VirtualBox. So in case of any queries or any errors that you are facing, just go ahead and mention that in the comment. If I have faced that error, I will make sure to answer your query. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Have a great day. Goodbye.